there, from Glen Prosen in Angus, and I'm here today at Kilbo Bothy. Kilbo Bothy has got a lease now from my climbing club, NCR Hillwalking Climbing Club in Dundee. We've got a 6-year lease on the place from Forestry Scotland, and this is my first visit up to the Bothy. The club are all here for the weekend. They're on the hills at the moment. I'm just down here. I've walked in for the day, doing some videoing of the Bothy. And a bit about the Bothy: it is a closed Bothy. You can't just turn up. It's not in the Bothy Bible. It is a locked Bothy, very secure club hut. At some point in the near future, the NCR club will be hiring this out to affiliated clubs of NCR Scotland and the likes, and you'll be able to hire it through the club for weekends up in the hills, whatever you want to do. It's here for that, but in the meantime it is not. But what I'll do is I'll give you a wee tour of the Bothy. Right, so going into the Bothy, beautiful stonework. This has been completely rebuilt. It was a ruin here at Kilbo. There's remains of the original ruins here by the river. But in we go. And as far as Bothy goes, it's what I call a posh Bothy. So there we have it. You have the bunks there, so it sleeps up to 10 people. And you see everybody's staying here for the weekend. A bit of a covered area. We have the NCR Climbing Club logo badge up here as well. We've got some books here as well. There's Gary Robertson's Wild Mountain Times story of the NCR club history. That is here. You can read that here if you want. But I'd buy a copy from Waterstones. Get a good read, you get a good laugh. There's a few mentions of me in it as well, in my younger youthful days. We've got a lovely potbelly stove, some seats, table, and we have peanuts and gin and all the usual. You know, the guys are in here. I think there was a bit of a party here last night with the guys. We met Grant Robertson on the way out and he was looking a bit rough. And then in terms of poshness for Bothies, we have a kitchen. Yes, with a gas stove and a gas oven. We even have a sink for doing dishes. Yeah, Dundee men actually do dishes. There you go. And then, beautiful, oh, yep, we also have electric lights, which makes it super posh Bothy. And then round the corner here, we have a storage area and a wee window with a view up to the hills. And of course, piece de la resistance, oh, a Bothy with a toilet. And not just a toilet, you've even got a sink for washing your hair, you know, in the morning. So you kind of beat it. As far as Bothies go, this is class. You will be able to hire it if you're an MCS affiliated club or an organisation at some point in the future. There's still work to be done on it, so at the moment it's not for hire. And as I said on the previous video, this is a locked Bothy. You can't just turn up and come in like some of the other Bothies in Scotland. It's not MBA affiliated. It's a proper club hut. You need to pay a fee to come and stay here as part of the rental that we pay Forestry Scotland every year to have the hire and lease of this beautiful little